Hi students, let's take up a question from JEE Main 2026. Net gravitational force at the center of a square is found to be F1 when four particles having masses m, 2m, 3m and 4m are placed at the four corners of the square as shown in the figure, and it is F2 when the positions of 3m and 4m are interchanged. The ratio F1 upon F2 is alpha upon root 5. The value of alpha is. Let us assume there is a particle of mass small m is kept at the center, and this distance between center and corner is r. Therefore, force due to this particle of mass m at the center would be gmm upon r square, and this would be directed towards the mass capital M. Similarly, force due to this particle of mass 3m would be 3f in this direction, and since these two forces are in the opposite direction, so their resultant would be 2f in this direction. Similarly, force due to this particle of mass 2m would be 2f in this direction, and force due to this particle of mass 4m would be in this direction, and this would be 4f. And since these two forces are in the opposite direction, the resultant would be 2f in this direction. The angle between these two forces is 90 degree, and their resultant is F1. So let us find out magnitude of F1. This is equal to root of 2f whole square plus 2f whole square, and this is equal to 2 root 2 into f. Now in the second case, the positions of particles of masses 3m and 4m, they have been interchanged. Now we have 3m at this corner and 4m at this corner. So let us find out the total force at the center due to these masses. Force due to this particle of mass m would be in this direction, and this would be F. Force due to this particle of mass 4m would be 4F in this direction. Since these two forces are opposite to each other, the resultant would be 3F in this direction. Similarly, force due to this particle of mass 2m would be in this direction, this would be 2F. And force due to this particle of mass 3m would be in this direction, and this would be 3F. And since these two forces are in the opposite direction, so their resultant would be F in this direction. The angle between these two forces is now 90 degree, and the resultant of these two forces is F2. So let us find out magnitude of F2. This is equal to root of F square plus 3F whole square, and this is equal to root 10 into f. Now let us find out ratio of f1 and f2. This is equal to 2 root 2 into f upon root 10 into f. F cancels f and we get 2 root 2. Root 10 can be written as root 2 into root 5. Root 2 cancels root 2 and we get 2 upon root 5. Therefore, alpha is equal to 2. So option 1 is correct. Alright, thank you very much.